Hey guys, it's Jordan with National Speed, and this video is pretty to the point. Today, we're showing you what a 2018 or newer Ford Mustang GT sounds like with the following exhaust combination. Stainless power long tube headers with high flow catalytic converters, and a CORSA Xtreme dual 3-inch exhaust system without active exhaust valves. Up first, here's a 100% stock exhaust system. Startup, and some revs. And a quick pull on the dyno. And now, the stainless power long tube headers get installed. Followed up by the CORSA Xtreme exhaust system. And as you can see, there's no resonator, only catalytic converters and relatively small mufflers. Now, here's a comparison between 100% stock exhaust system and the stainless power headers with the CORSA Xtreme exhaust. And some revs. And run on the dyno. Yeah, if you're after ear bleeding loud, this combination fits the bill. And if this combination is too extreme for you, no pun intended, then check out the video we did showing how it sounds with stainless power long tube headers with the stock exhaust system in place. So, if you've been on the fence, hopefully this helps you decide which way you want to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more. And as always, if you have any questions at all, we're happy to chat. Thanks for watching.